Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAnts. So today I will show you how to activate incognito mode in your Google Maps application. And few days back this feature is available for Android and iOS platforms. So anyway, what is the use of this incognito mode in Google Maps? And this incognito mode function is same when compared to other applications like YouTube, Google Chrome and etc. Which means that when you turn on this feature, your Google Maps activity like places you search want to be saved to your Google account. So due to this reason, you won't get any personalization ads via your Google Maps application. So if you want to activate this feature, just follow me friends. So first of all, open your Google Maps application in your Android mobile or iOS device. Now in this map section, you can press your profile icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and it shows my Google accounts and followed by I get this incognito mode settings. So just press this turn on incognito mode option. So and then you can see now my Google Map starts to turn on this service, and then it shows a notification, so you can click to close it. So finally this feature is successfully activated. In top of search bar, you can note one thing, it shows incognito mode is on. So if you search any place in this section, your histories are not saved to your Google account. At same time, if you does not like this feature, so same way, you can press this incognito mode icon and then press turn off incognito mode option, and it automatically goes to normal mode of Google Maps. So this is the way you can easily enable or disable this incognito mode in your Google Maps application. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.